slamming door just rattles all the glass. And the time goes by, the living land of sky, the cloudless air just keeps the surface dry. My mind fades out as the birds make south, and I someday like to make the trip myself. The hip-hop kids with their small town kicks, they shuffle past and it's just the way it is. And it's all falling rain until it don't. And it's all falling rain until it snows. Well, the garbage man does the best that he can, but when it rains he loses feeling in his hands. The shoe still fits and the clock used to tick, but he snapped and tore the battery right out of it. The weeds grow tall, the horse eats inside the stall, and the dogs all down the street are trading calls. And the dark sets in and it's the moon that wins, but the sun will come back around this way again. And it's all falling rain until it don't. And it's all falling rain until it snows. Well, the Drywall King needs a song to sing for whatever the day may bring. The wheel still turns and the engine burns, and we all still have an awful lot to learn. And I have to believe that under ballot box or tyranny that people breathe to live their lives at peace. And the bombs that fly and tear a hole into the sky are sent out by the assholes living on both sides. And it's all falling rain until it don't.